So what exactly is an NFT? Well, it's a JPEG attached to the blockchain in some form, shape, or case, a digital asset that can potentially make you a lot of money. And you might be wondering, well, how do I pick the right NFT? Well, it's hard. But there are a few key factors when picking an NFT project to invest in for the long, short-term, mid-term, or hey, the utility. So in today's video, I dug around the internet, I used my little greedy fingers, I typed up upcoming NFTs, and I found five goddamn NFTs. I want to show you, the viewer, these 5 NFTs, and I want your thoughts down below on each of these. We got some frogs that like to get stoned. We have some shells that are like coral that are in a tribe or like a gang. We've got bears that seem to be doing okay. We have some men that might be identifying as marshmallows. We got a dog. And we have kids that have stuck cartons on their head and they're stuck. All right, so you guys know the drill. This is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and do your own research, man. That's all I gotta say. Also, like, comment, subscribe, do all those things, hook your boy up. I love you guys. On the road to 25k subs. For the first project, we gotta talk about some early alpha, as there isn't much information on this project out anywhere. We're talking about the OK Bears. This is a project that gives me that Bored Ape Yacht Club vibe. It gives me that subtle, stealthy, sexy,
hey yo,
cool, clean looking artwork direction. We don't know the utility, we don't know the mint date, we don't even know the supply. All I know is they're making an absolute fuss over on Twitter, and as of today, recording this on April 13th, the Discord just went public. This project's got over 40,000 followers on a Solana project, which is unheard of. This is gonna be one of the biggest mints of this year, I believe so. They have some beautiful looking artwork, some concept art around their project. It looks so full of effort. I don't know the right phrase on words there. But if we just sneak peek some of the actual NFTs we're getting a little bit of looks at, these things look fucking clean, man. They look so good. I mean, look at a tweet, man. 6,200 likes, 5,500 retweets, 4,800 comments. I mean, it was a giveaway, of course, but they are doing things right, and this community is showing they love what's going on. I wish I had some whitelist spots to give to you guys. I reached out to them on Twitter. We rated them during a stream, and they said, yo, we closed off our DAO collaborations, so I'm sorry, but it looks fucking sick. Let me know what you think down below. Crypto Coral Tribe is making some fucking moves. Fully doxed team, beautiful looking artwork, 20,000 followers over on Twitter. And yeah, I fuck with the artwork. You might not like it. I like it. I think it looks fucking sick. The traits are dope. The artwork's clean. It's fucking smooth. I think it'll be a great PFP over on Solana. So let's dive into it and see what's going on. Yo, look at this fucking website, dude. That's actually so sick. This project's minting sometime in April at a 1.5 to 2 SOL price range. 50% of these mint proceeds will be put into their community wallet, which will be used for all their community governance needs behind the DAO. And they're uniting 6,565 avatars, environmental needs, and change makers. This project will offer staking behind their Aqua token, which will be used for the Gen 1 collection, which is going to be these coral reef motherfuckers. And then there will be a Gen 2 called Zooth. This will be an airdrop collection to all the holders behind the Gen 1 collection, and there will be breeding and incubation mechanics behind the project. So of course, there is going to be the community impact fund as well, which will be a dashboard and voting mechanism deployed for the holders. 1 NFT equals 1 vote. The impact fund will go across 3,000 corals across 3 whole continents. There will be 1 of 1 auctions as well. The staking and utility token will be put into place behind the Aqua. Gen 2 for the Zooth airdrop. The Solar Punkademy, which is going to be an exclusive educational hub for holders, member giveaways, member merch, member meetups and retreats, and then with aims of hitting into the metaverse in the near future behind community voting as well throughout their DAO. Also, we get a sick fucking video they put together as well, which I think is so much fucking effort, dude. It's so sick to see projects put more work behind their artwork, behind the direction of the project, the setup of the website, and overall, the suspense. We do have a big team with full names on it. I don't know if it brings you to their LinkedIn. Oh, it does. So some of them do have their pictures on here as well, and their LinkedIns, their social medias. So this is a pretty big docs team. I'm just super hyped about Solana becoming more mainstream, people actually enjoying what they're putting out there, putting their faces attached to their project, and showing more of that security vibe to it. I don't know, man. I see some really cool real world utility behind this, some really good real world efforts behind it as well that will help the environment as a whole. Supply is pretty big, but I mean, yo, as communities get bigger, I think it's going to be a must for Solana. And of course, we do have the basics like staking and utility token behind the project. Let me know your thoughts. All right, yo, next up project in today's video is another early alpha project called the Mellow Men. These are some fluffy, cute marshmallows taking over the Solana blockchain, looking to take over the forest. But hey, don't get too comfortable with them because there are going to be some evil creatures amongst themselves. At the moment, peaking upwards of 7,300 followers over on Twitter with only 4 NFT sneak peeks for us to see. This is going to be one of their scary little violent ones, they're evil Mellow Men, and the other ones are going to be cute, friendly, happy. This guy's trying to fucking catch the world on fire, I don't know, man. But this is going to be an art and community driven project behind it with that stealthier style of Discord invites, no grind for whitelists, and overall just giving you that community vibe behind it, making sure there's some suspense behind the launch. Throughout this being directed by the art and community as well, there will be staking and their Flint governance utility token, which will be released more into their roadmap side of things, which the roadmap's not out yet, website's not out yet. All we know is we got to have their notifications on and get a Discord invite and that whitelist. Lucky for you guys, I've got 10 whitelist spots down below in the Patreon being raffled off right now, and we've got 10 Discord invites to go along with it. With that being said, my Patreon's also where you see my altcoin calls, my alpha calls, my NFT buys and sells, my alerts, what's coming up, what's new. Bunch of alpha callers in there as well, making the world a greater place. So yo, go win some Solana, go win some whitelist spots, win some NFTs, and get that alpha. But besides all that, I think Mellow Men's making a great move on their Twitter, growing very, very quickly, giving away Discord invites, giving away whitelist, and overall with the community and the artwork, I think it looks fucking dope. Let me know your thoughts down below. Now financial advice. We gotta talk about frogs that smoke weed and get fucking stoned to the bone. That's right, another marijuana CBD project hitting the Solana blockchain. We've got Stoned Ape Crew, we've got Best Buds, we've got Mary Janes, we've got Tombstone High Society, and now we have frogs. I know, frogs. Another project on Twitter with over 20,000 followers, a huge Discord behind it, and dropping an 8400 collection coming up on April 22nd. Let's hop into the artwork, because goddamn, I think it looks so fucking clean, bro. People might not like this. I do fuck with the vibes behind it. I think the artwork behind this project alone gives you that vibe of, yo, we're stoned fucking frogs. I mean, look at this guy. These guys are getting that engagement on Twitter. They're doing things right. They're building up a strong community behind it. And again, this is one of those early alphas, you know, like a week in advance for that suspense behind the drop they're coming out with in a week. Something fucking sick about this mint on April 22nd is after they mint out the 8400 collection, there's going to be mystery boxes that all holders can go ahead and open on up, which can contain upwards of $100,000 in prizes. Of course, this is going to be a utility staking based project with some other utility as well behind it, but you'll be earning their seeds token throughout staking, and you can also use it to battle other frogs. You can use these tokens throughout their virtual store and buy items and use them amongst yourselves in the P2E game. You can actually go ahead and use this token throughout their online store. You can also get items for their in-game play to earn battle game, and they're also working on legalizing cannabis-based products throughout their cannabis frog farm. They're also working on a cannabis coffee shop. I don't know what that's about. I mean, I can guess. But of course, this is going to be the DAO-driven community vibe project, sick-ass artwork, a token throughout utility, governance needs, DAO voting, staking, play to earn gaming, marijuana. They're doing marijuana. We do seem to have a very anon team, so yo, do your own due diligence behind this project. But I really do think this project is super hyped up. 20K on a Solana project on Twitter. And they're coming out in about a week as well, so get ready for it. Maybe I can get some whitelists from them and give it away. I don't have any right now, but I think this marijuana meta is super fucking strong out there. People are diehards behind it. This is going to be a huge collection of 8400 though, but it seems they have some very thought out plans behind what they want to do with the roadmap. So it looks pretty dope to me. I fuck with the artwork, and yo, I'm froggish, so let me know your thoughts down below. I've got one more alpha. Well, that's two. I got one more alpha before we head off on today's video. The Carton Kids are hitting the Solana blockchain sometime soon with a supply count of 2,000, no mint date, and no mint price as of yet. And I've got some whitelist giveaways for this project as well, so go peep the Patreon. Like I said earlier, 10 raffles for the 10 whitelist and 10 Discord invites. It's private Discord, you know, they got the vibe going on. Carton Kids are hitting the Solana blockchain with almost 9,000 followers on Twitter, some very dope looking strong engagement as well, a private Discord and a whitelist you gotta get. With fans of the community already showing some dope looking fan art, I think this project is gonna have some huge impact on the Solana ecosystem behind the community and art driven vibe behind it. And I want to tell you guys about it a little bit early because we don't know what's going on yet. The team did reach out to me, and I am giving away whitelist as well. I'm giving away 10 down below. So not only do you get whitelist guaranteed, but you also get a Discord invite to a private locked Discord at the moment. So again, this is kind of early. I do fuck with this artwork very, very heavy. And the roadmap just got released as well. As we can see here, a community driven long-term Solana project. They're always asking why. What's going to keep the people around for the project? They want to be super transparent around the Solana blockchain and do exactly what they say. They're going to be working on the holder verification behind the Carton DAO, opening up the Discord, and of course minting the collection at 2,000 supply. Here they will have the staking for the Carton token, clothing line for Carton Kids holders, one-of-one auctions for charity, creating a well-known brand in the space, and the Carton monsters being their second gen collection. Bro, man, this is going to be that private alpha, stealthier looking project over here on Solana with, bro, some insane looking artwork, and the fans seem to fucking love it. They're eating it up, and they're doing a lot of stuff as well for the community. And I want you guys to comment down below right now. Do you fuck with this artwork or what? I think it looks fabulous. So like I mentioned, this is going to be a staking project behind a community-driven artwork project as well, with the DAO creation, the Carton token, Gen 2 for the mutated Cartons, and overall further expectations behind the road of a community-driven, beautiful project. So if you want to get a whitelist spot or a Discord invite, go peep the links down below. So yo guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A little bit more faster pace. I wanted to make this under 10 minutes long and just give you the alpha really quickly, short, sweet, and simple. 5 projects. And yo, I fucking appreciate you guys. So thank you so much for being here. Leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications for live streams and daily uploads. And of course, sign up on FTX. The link's down below as well. I greatly appreciate it. It supports me and supports the team. And it's the #1 cryptocurrency exchange. Why is it the #1 cryptocurrency exchange? Well, it has a full platform for Solana and Ethereum NFTs. You can earn a free crypto coin on every $10 that you spend. And on top of all that, with no ACH fees, no minimum transaction fees, and no fixed trading fees as well, you can save an additional 10% with my links down below. Use the code JerseyFTX on your mobile application as well, and pay $0 in gas fees on Ethereum and Solana NFTs using their platform. Over 6 million users, collaborations with celebrities and athletes like Tom Brady and Steph Curry. I think it's a no-brainer. It's the one-stop shop. So go check it out and let me know what you think. Thank you to FTX for sponsoring today's video, and I fucking love you guys. So hey guys, have a good night, have a good day, have a good evening, morning, whatever time it is for you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.